Добро пожаловать на канал Octopus Guy. We present a story to you, one you probably never knew. What do you do when you
Does this
find
not
the
belong?
biggest toilet?
This doesn't belong in here. This is not one of your babies.
I woke up early this morning, tired of sleeping, tired of all the chores.
Stop touching her, Jane.
I heard a sound.
She's gonna smack you.
What a roar! Maury, they said, but I didn't believe it. It's so vast and wide. Water everywhere with the sand. This is cat paradise.
Scout.
Looks like I've landed in a good place. Oh, the sea, what a sight. My furry heart is taking flight. Maury feels like a dream. A giant blue cat's litter box, it seems.
Okay then.
I'm walking along the shore, my paws sinking into the sand. I can smell the fish, just like they're served on a dish. Then I stop and think, wait a second. Toilet, my mind is blown. I've never seen one like this. I can smell the fish, just like the